We are looking for art painters and those who are expert in arts and craft for Passport Turtles. Now, these experts are not on our list. However, we will be needing their expertise and contributions because, like you've seen here in this video, this is a painting given to us by our friend, and it's a magical tree, and I think that's her under that tree. So this is not obviously a coffee tree, but this is just one example of a fundraising event and opportunity where we can get funds to help the smallholder farmers or create a community based project in a specific country that we are focusing on. So again, I'm not entirely or focusing on one specific region or country. I'm targeting and mentioning all the painters out there who are into nature, who's into climate change, who's into impact, and whatever you can do to help us out by selling your artwork or giving it to us, and we will make sure that your efforts won't go overlooked. Okay? So feel free to message us here in our platform, and we can talk about the strategy and partnership as well, because I feel this is not a one-time thing but a long-term relationship, and this will be both beneficial for Passport Turtles and for you. Just imagine this. What you're doing is not just for profit but for purpose. So if you can show me some of your artworks, you could paint not just coffee trees but coffee beans, or some tourists in Japan, yeah, going to a specific uh, cafe, or like a community-based tourism in Thailand. So it could be anything. It could be any painting, and anyone is welcome to participate.